Another day to grow. Good morning, Ducky. Time to start the day.
Quack! Quack, quack.
Look, Ducky, almost ready.
Today's the day, little one. Harvest time.
Yes! We did it, Ducky!
Off to the cornfield. Almost there, Ducky. Big harvest awaits. All right, corn, time to shine. Quite a bounty, Ducky. Almost done. Just a quick stretch, Ducky.
My corn.
Hey! That's MY corn. Stop that!
We'll save what we can, Ducky.
Almost done. Just home now.
We'll try again tomorrow, Ducky. We always do. Almost done, Ducky. These tomatoes will be perfect. Huh? That sounded like Buster.
Oh no! He's near the river! He's stuck! To the tractor, Ducky! We have to help him!
Gotta go fast! Buster needs us! Woo! Hold off, Ducky!
Almost there. Steady as she goes. Good boy, Buster. Hold tight.
Oh, Buster. So glad you're safe.
A reward for being so brave, Buster.
Mine now, chump.
Too slow, heroes. Hand over that bone, Sneaky. Hey. No tickling.
Here you go, big guy. All yours.
Good adventure, team.
Another day, another rescue, Ducky. Good job. Another purple day. Chirp.
What's that? Ooh.
Oh no! Little one is stuck. It's really stuck. We must help. Too deep. Too muddy. Think, Max, think. Aha!
Woo-hoo, the digger. Yes. Genius, Max. Here we go! Rescue time!
Slowly, slowly. Almost there, Ducky.
Easy, little one, easy. We're here. Careful, Max. Gentle now, gentle.
Almost there. Yes! Free!
Easy now, easy. You're all right, little one. Just take your time.
You're cold, aren't you? Let's get warm.
This way, little friend. Warm barn awaits.
Much better. Safe and warm.
Here we go, warmth for you.
There. All cozy now. Chirp. See? All better now. Sweet dreams! Dreams!
Good job, team! We did it!
Food and drink just for you. Chirp.
A perfect little family now, huh, Ducky?